This is the Novistretch high flow front end mask, available for all 2015 and newer Mustangs. Now you should be considering the Novistretch option for your S550 or S650 if you're looking for easy to install, non-permanent front end protection from things like rock chips and bug guts on your next road trip, and can be had all for right around that $200 price point. Now moving into our features block here, and again, this is going to be easy to install, easy to remove protection for your ride's front end to help protect it on your next road trip or even day-to-day use. Now the Novistretch mask that we have here again today will offer great coverage for a majority of your front end, including most of that front bumper, portions of your hood, and even the lower grille and chin area. Now unlike old school automotive bras that were made from vinyl material that were just baggy and rather unsightly, the Novistretch here option, on the other hand, is going to be the complete opposite. Now when installed, the stretch material really does hug the front end perfectly, giving you all of that protection you're looking for, but at the same time still allowing plenty of air to flow into your radiator and everything else. Now I will say, maybe next to clear PPF film that can cost hundreds or thousands more, this might just be your next best option from an appearance standpoint, while again costing you substantially less than those other options, while at the same time being easily removable. Now shifting gears, let's talk construction, and I'm happy to say that the Novistretch options are made here in the USA using a high quality black synthetic material that is completely washable and also easily storable thanks to the little carrying pouch that's included. Now the material is so soft that Novistretch claims no rubbing or chafing of the paint will occur while the cover is installed. On top of that, the patent pending snap and strap fastening system is extremely low profile, so much so that when the mask is not installed, you cannot easily spot the mounting locations. Finally, the Novistretch option is backed by a 1-year warranty in case you run into any issues. Price point for the high flow mask from Novistretch is going to come in right around $200, give or take a little bit here, which does make this relatively affordable overall, especially when you start comparing this to the more expensive PPF film that we talked about earlier, which again can cost hundreds if not thousands more. Last but not least, let's talk about the installation here, and this one is going to be pretty straightforward, guys, so expect a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 10 to 20 minutes to get in place from start to finish. Now to give you a better idea of how this one might go down in the garage or driveway at home, let's throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet, clip remover tool, and a T20 torque socket. What's up guys? Today we're installing a front end mask on our Mustang, so let's get started. So we're gonna start in our fender liner here. I've got our wheel turned in towards the middle of the car to give us access to all these clips. Now we're gonna be removing this push clip, this one, and this one. We're gonna be replacing them with U-clips. I'm also gonna remove this one just for the time being, just to make it a little bit easier to peel this back to get our U-clips on there. So grab a clip remover tool, pop these out. And now with those removed, we can peel back our fender liner. Now we're going to be installing these U-clips here, here, and this hole up here. So just go ahead and slide those on, get your hole lined up. And just do that 2 more times. And then you can replace your fender liner. I'm gonna put that one clip at the bottom back in now. And then we have our bolts with the button head that our mask is gonna snap into. So we're gonna put that through a flat washer and then thread that into our clip. Do that for all 3 of the clips that you installed. And then you're gonna grab a T20 torque socket to tighten those down. And then do that exact same thing on the other side. So now we've got our mask here. We're gonna start snapping these buttons onto those bolts. Now you wanna make sure that the side with these loops is up, and then just line this up and snap those on. And then we're gonna pull this over towards the other side and snap it on that side as well. So now we're gonna stretch this over to our other wheel well so that we can snap our buttons into place. One thing to be mindful of is in the middle here, there is a strip of Velcro that's gonna have to go underneath the car. So you wanna make sure that that strip of Velcro is facing the bumper. Once you've confirmed that, we're just gonna stretch this over towards the other side and snap our buttons into place. And we're just gonna make sure we've got it hooked underneath of our front lip on both sides. Now at the top, we have our straps that are gonna go onto these two pieces of our radiator. So stretch that up and hook it on both sides. And then you just wanna make sure this isn't gonna interfere with your hood latch here. You see, even if I stretch it, it doesn't really go up there, so we're all good to go here. Now, the last thing we need to do is add the piece of Velcro that this piece of Velcro is gonna be attaching to. Now, the easy way to do that is just stick that down and then peel the backing of the double-sided tape portion of the Velcro. And then just center it up, pull your tension, and stick it down. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Novistretch high flow front end mask for your 2015 and newer Mustang. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.